Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be reviewing these LASFIT turn signal lamps and installing them in our Nissan Xterra. So these are LED turn signal lamps. As you can see, they're LED. They're going to be a lot brighter than our turn signal lamps that are currently in the car. And they should be a direct swap, plug and play, without any resistors needing to be wired in or anything like that. So I'm going to go over to the truck, show you how to take out the tail lamps so you can replace the bulb. I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb, and I'm going to show you a before and after shot in terms of 50-50, showing you what the old lamps look like right next to the new ones, as well as what both of the new ones look like installed. So I'll be right back at the truck. Alright, in order to replace the turn signal lamps, you're going to need to take out the tail light housing itself. Pretty easy to do. You need to take out 2 screws. These are plastic screws right here, upper and lower. And once you have both of those screws out, you're going to need to pry out the tail lamp. Now, if you've never taken the tail lamp out before and your vehicle's never had the tail lamp taken out before, it's going to be a little bit difficult. So what I recommend you do is take a plastic pry tool like this, maybe wrap it in a microfiber cloth to prevent damaging your paint, stick it between the tail light and the body, and pry out the tail light. It's going to be tough, again, if it's never been taken out before, and I also recommend that if it is tough for you, put some grease on the little pegs that go into the truck itself in order to make it easier on you next time if you need to pull it out again to replace another bulb. So, you can see, mine's already loose. I'm going to bring the camera around to show you which one of these lights is the turn signal, as well as how to pull that socket out and replace the bulb in it. Your turn signal light should be in the top socket right here. Super easy to pull out. Just turn it counterclockwise, pull it out. This type of bulb, all you need to do to remove it from the socket is pull it again straight out, and then the new one's just going to push right in. These bulbs shouldn't be polarity sensitive, but I'll double check that and tell you how that works out whenever I've installed the bulbs. But I'm going to go ahead and swap these off camera so I can set the taillight down, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like 50-50 shot, one of them LED and one of them the original incandescent bulb. Alright, so I've got the turn signal light installed on the passenger side. We're going to go ahead and turn on the emergency flashers so you can see what it looks like. As you can see, that one on the passenger side is bright. That thing is crazy bright. So we're going to go ahead and get that passenger side put back together and finished up, and then we're going to install the driver's side bulb so you can see what it looks like with both bulbs installed. So now we have both sides of the turn signal lights installed. I've turned down the ISO on the camera to kind of simulate a little bit of a darker time of day, just so you can get an idea of what they would look like at night. I do want to mention, before I close out the video, that the bulbs are polarity sensitive. I was incorrect in my statement before. So this set is polarity sensitive. You'll just need to do a little bit of trial and error. Plug them in, click the emergency flasher button, make sure that they work. If they don't, just flip the bulb around and plug it in the other way. Pretty simple and straightforward. So this is what it looks like with both the lights installed. As you can see, they are super, super, super bright. Definitely a great thing for safety. Maybe not a great thing if you're driving behind the truck at night, because you'll be blinded by those red lights. But with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.